folks, right at the freezing mark today. And it's actually kind of nice. I think it's above it now. I took the screen cap an hour ago, so I'm not sure what the temperature was actually supposed to be today. I did look, I don't remember. But we have a special weather statement. Strong wind is expected Sunday, which is tomorrow, which is why I'm out today instead. Strong wind gusts of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. Localized gusts in excess of 100 kilometers per hour are possible. Widespread power outages are also possible. So it looks like it's going to be all day on Sunday. Yeah, a strong southwest wind will develop late Sunday morning or early Sunday afternoon as a cold front moves through southern Ontario. Thunderstorms developing along this cold front may bring localized wind gusts in excess of 100 kilometers per hour. Oh, goody! Always love thunderstorms that cause wind. Not. So, this is the month. March is always interesting. We can get any kind of weather during March. I can get snow, freezing rain, ice pellets, regular rain, tornadoes, blizzards. We can get anything in March. Everything is on the table for March. So, I guess I'll have to wait and see. Wind on its own I don't mind, but wind with storms, those are the ones I don't like. But that's why I'm going out today instead of tomorrow. Zack wants me to pick him up some distilled water. He went to Walmart today. Apparently Walmart didn't have them, so I'll see if we got them here in town. Other than that, I got a couple things I need to get for myself. That's about all I have planned. I'm going to go out and try to enjoy the day with no sunshine.
Have a good one. Not
Not today. I only go out once a day. Probably not. Not given what the weather's supposed to be out. I might Monday. Now the weather's nice. I'll find out. Yeah, have a good one. It's actually kind of a nice day out. Be better with sun. So I went to Value Mart. I couldn't get distilled water for Zack. They don't have any. They have their Coke now, which I couldn't get before when he wanted it. They have that now. So I wanted to get my... I'm just kind of hungry today. I wanted to get something. I can't get wraps from Timmy's because I don't have any deals. I don't want to pay full price for them. So I was going to get my chicken and wedges from Value Mart. Nope, they're out. They got lots of wedges, that's it. So I couldn't get that. So I went to Timmy's, got my coffee, and I was going to go across the street and sit by the waste pumping station again. But before I got there, I saw somebody walking. There's Reg. He's out for a walk. So he's kind of sat and talked for a little bit. Yeah, I was just going to come straight home from there, but I figured, well, I'm not going to go out tomorrow. The weather's not going to be all that wonderful, so I figured, well, I'll go, might as well enjoy today while I'm out. So I went for a bit of a drive, stopped down at the dam, and I'm looking, I said, that looks like footprints heading out onto the ice. And I think, oh, that's not good because things are melting right now and that ice is not going to be all that thick. So I take a stroll down to the river and there's 3 kids walking up the river on the ice. And where their footprints are, they're hitting all the weak areas. And I'm hoping I don't hear the scanner go off because I know exactly what it's going to be for. So, you know, kids, they don't understand the danger. I did the same thing when I was younger. I walked on the river. I thought it was pretty cool because there was a place where the ice was pretty clear and you could actually see air bubbles going by and you could actually hear the water running under the ice. That was actually pretty cool. Dangerous, but cool. And there was another time we were walking on a pond and I fell through. Thankfully it was only knee deep, but dang, that was cold. So I hope they're alright. I hope they don't fall through. Because they're heading up, they're under the bridge. I watched them until I got out of sight. And I went past the bridge and they're heading up into an area where there's a lot of bulrushes along the edge of the river, and areas like that the ice tends to not be as thick because it actually gets a little bit of heat from the weeds. So hopefully they're alright. But I got back to the monster and I noticed something. That is my speedometer cable hanging down and it is broken. So the inner cable has been broken for a while. I can't do anything with it until the weather warms up, but the actual outer sheath now is broken. It got the cable and it's got the part on the end that you screw on. That's broken. The cable's completely separated from it. I can't fix that. And I know that thing is $90. I don't remember the actual length of it. It's possible I might be able to find one on Amazon of similar length. I'll have to measure it again to be sure. But I doubt that's not an essential part of the scooter, so I doubt ODSP would pay for that. So if I want to replace it, you know, from the dealer, it's $90. Like I say, once I get the length, I'll figure it out. I know I've checked it before. When the first time I was replacing it, I looked at it and I got the length I was going to check, and then I discovered I can just replace the inner cable part that spins. I can get a replacement of that for like $10, so that's what I've been doing. I've got the replacement, I just haven't been able to put it on because cold weather. But it's broken completely now. The whole thing needs to be replaced. So another expense. It's not essential. I don't need it. It just keeps track of the mileage and tells me my speed. So it's not essential that I need to have it, but it's nice to have it. It's nice to see that. I don't have total kilometers anyways now because I've been without it for so long. And I don't know. I would like to have it, but you know, if I can't, then I can't. Not a huge deal. Just another issue. So I guess that's it. That's all I got. I can't really think of anything else. I think that's all that happened while I was out, but I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.